Hello people, welcome to update number 3. Today we are going to be working on the home view. It could be a small update, didn't get much done today. Had other activities pulling my attention. So the home view was the very first screen that we vibe coded in video 1. So it's the one that we're going to try to code up. And this will be where the RSS feed will be giving you different articles that you'll be using for the rest of the content and the vault and the keep for the rest of the app. So this will be basically an RSS feed. So of course, now you could go ahead and code all of this and figure out all RSS app from scratch, but that's a lot of work. So it's easy if you just like have a package. So the first thing you would actually go to, or the first thing I actually went to, was Swift package index. And Swift package index, you can search for different packages. I just simply looked for RSS, and the very first thing that came up was FeedKit. It has like the most stars, and if you go over to the app, it has actually been updated very recently, okay, within 1 month. Supports all the different versions of Swift and iOS. So I'm going to be using FeedKit as the package to be getting the RSS data and the RSS articles. So with that, I already started the app, started coding it today, and added FeedKit. I also added Firebase because I think I'm going to use it for authentication. I'm not yet sure if I'm going to use it for storage, but for sure I'm going to use it for authentication. So I already added FeedKit, and I already did the home view, right, and the home view model. This is just a small test to figure out how FeedKit is actually working, and if I can actually extract some data from it. I do have a number of test feeds here that you can then pull through and then see the articles. So yeah, I'll be using MVVM for the project. I know people hate MVVM nowadays. It's the cool thing to hit MVVM, but it's what I'm comfortable with, and I think I'm gonna go with it. Because in this case, with the hackathon, I prefer speed over being right about architecture. I can always change my mind about architecture later on, but for now, I'll be going with MVVM. It's proven, it's trusted, it's known, so it's what I'll be using for the project. And so, just with a home view and home view model created, I can give the app a run, and we can see what it has created. So this is like basic raw bonds thing. The polishing app will come later on. So it just downloads a few articles from the feeds I've given it. If you go to just go to Ars Technica, and here it can download all the articles, and these are articles that was published today. And then you can see the date it was published, the title, the description, and the URL. This URL I'll be displaying in some sort of web form, some sort of WebKit page. Of course, it's easier now in the new Swift UI. There's a native view directly for displaying URLs, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be using that because the project itself is going to be using iOS. The project will be using iOS 18 and above, so I don't have the iOS 16 advantage of using the URL. Anyway, yeah, that's the update for today. So yeah, that's what I have for you. See you next time.